introduce yourself? Tell us your name, your title, and how many years you've been at UPS.
My name is Corey Nkosi. I'm the Industrial Engineering Manager here for UPS in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I've been with UPS for 21 years.
Awesome. So how do you use STEM in your career?
How do I use STEM in my career? Well, for me, it's really the technology and the math portion. So for myself, I try to figure out how to process or move 2 million packages daily by plane, train, or automobile. And as you can see right now, we are on one of our cargo planes that we use in the DFW airport to move about 20% or 400,000 packages a day.
Have you always known you wanted to work in this career field, and were there any particular influences?
Yes, I've always known that I've wanted to work in this career field. My father was an engineer, and for me personally, I've always been good at math, science, and technology courses in school, so it was just natural for me to follow in his footsteps.
How did your father feel about you following his engineering footsteps?
Of course, he was very, very proud.
All right, so what kind of schooling did you have to complete in order to get into your current career field?
I attended a 4-year school here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area, University of Texas at Arlington. And while working here at UPS, I worked at UPS during the nighttime, attended school during the daytime, and as I finished school, I moved into the industrial engineering department.
Are there any skills you've learned over time that helped you in your career that you didn't anticipate would be as helpful starting out?
That's a very good question. The skills that I learned that I didn't think I was going to use is actually communication. I was always good at math and sciences and my technology courses, but it's funny how much my English and my writing courses helped me along through my career because of the presentations that I need to make, leading conference calls, and just meeting people at different levels and trying to communicate my ideas out for what's best for the company.
How important would you say those relationships are for your success in your career?
It's very important. Just getting to know folks, number one, being able to communicate effectively and present ideas that have not been presented before. New ideas, old ideas, or combining a little bit of both. With these new ideas, it helps the company and myself make everything more efficient, as well as create opportunities for the company to make more money.
What would you recommend to students that are aspiring to work in your field?
What I would recommend, number one, is especially dealing heavily in your math and science courses as you're in school, but also getting to know your peers, getting to be able to build relationships, joining some of your out of school activities, whether it be sports, whether it be music, whether it be drum or whatnot, so you can build those other, abilities to help you with the things that you really like to do.
What's the favorite part of your job?
My favorite part of my job is the puzzle. Every day it's a new challenge to figure out how to make my job more efficient, and not as well as myself, as well as the other folks that work with me, and figuring out new ways to make everything more efficient and make more money for the company, because in the end, that's the name of the game.
And is it true that engineers are, in fact, superheroes?
Well, yes, they are.